Alrighty then guys, we are back. The car is running and it's idling, and we gotta open up the hood because I want to see exactly how bad it's smoking. Oh my god, that thing barely opens. That's exactly why today we're gonna use some of that ceramic brake lubricant to fix up the hood a little bit, because those hood parts where it opens are not going very well, so we are going to lubricate that one and that one right now. Okay, I'll let the car run so that I can kind of see if and where it's smoking from, but in the meanwhile let's get this one open. Let's get a little bit of grease on, because the thing is, these ones are starting to give me a little bit of trouble, just a tiny bit, so I want to just lubricate them just a little bit so that we can get a little bit better opening power from these. Just a tiny bit, because they have been giving me a little bit of problems. I know this is not the best stuff to use, but at least it'll help. Just a tiny bit we're gonna use. There we go. I know this looks stupid and I probably shouldn't be doing this, but I know that this is a temporary solution, because mine are starting to give me a little bit of problems. See, they're moving around, but not the best. And ultimately, I know that I'll have to replace the cables which run to the actual hinges. But this is kind of one thing that I know that I'll need to replace eventually. So just before they fail, this will kind of help them open up a little bit easier. Because I'm pretty certain that this hood is going to be open quite a few times this year, the last bit of this year, and especially next year. So let's make sure that these don't fail super early. I want them to at least survive a little bit longer. Okay, I think that's pretty much good. All right, perfect. We have lubricated that one and that one. Let's go feel the hood release. How much better is it? Oh yeah, that's way better. Like, now I can just grab it with my pinky. Look at that. Now I can just grab my pinky, where before it was like almost impossible to pull that thing. That is so much better. Way better. Okay, perfect. Yo, that actually did the trick. That made it a lot better. Perfect. Okay. Okay guys, bam, just like that. That hood is gonna be open quite a bit longer, for more than I want it to be, because we do have a lot of stuff left to do in maintenance on the C63. But I believe that will be it for now. Well, we still have to lubricate the sunroof, but that's gonna be in another video. We're gonna prep all the seals and everything, just to make sure that all of the stuff is operational for the winter time, because right now it's not cold, it's not going to be cold, but yo, it will get colder in January and February, and we want to be prepared. Whew. Yo, let's give it a nice little rev. It's not smoking right now, but nice, sounds good, amazing. Can't really see any of the smoke. Where is it coming from, bro? I know it was smoking. Well, not right now, I guess. Maybe I just have to drive the piss out of it, because I know that it was smoking from down there, but I guess we'll have to disassemble everything once again to see exactly where the smoke is coming from and what the problem is, because yo, there is way too much stuff here to even know exactly where it's coming from. It's not from that side, that's for sure, otherwise I'd see it, but hey, it is what it is. Oh, that's so much better. Okay, let's pull on the thing one more time. Hold up, let me just shut off the car. Boom. All right, let's pull that thing one final time and see if it made a difference, because when I pulled it first, it was freaking difficult to pull it, but now, wait, hold up. Boom. Well, I used my middle finger this time, but that is so much easier now. That is way better. Yeah, I had to do that. Honestly, we needed to fix that because this hood is going to be open quite a bit more than I want it to be this year and next year. So now, perfect. This is kind of a temporary fix. Eventually we'll replace these hood latches and all the cables that run that way and into the car. But that's a huge job and I don't really want to mess with that. Boom. Just like that. We are good, guys. Okay, perfect. Let's get going. Whew, we got a whole bunch of stuff left to do. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.